Bees galore. Yeah, I told you. Who said honeybees are extinct? We get plenty over here. It's like, very, very busy. They love it. Sure do. Ooh, what do we have here? What's going on with the, getting some white flower here. And as you can see, well, that bee over there loves it. Little wasp or hornet or whatever it was. It's going to be interesting to see if the honeybees come this way as this gets more flowers. But, wow. You get all kinds, see? Yeah, look at that. Not just honeybees. The majority are honeybees, but you get other varieties of bees. Oh, look at this guy. A little blue small hornet of some sort. Right there. Yeah, it's a beautiful plant, I gotta say. Wow. Yeah, this is one hell of a pollinated plant, wouldn't you say? You have this in the middle of your garden. You're going to have no shortage of pollinators coming by. That's for sure. Garden itself is looking wonderful. Like I said, 200 square feet. And look at what you get. You get a whole lot. You can do a whole lot with 200 square feet. And the 3 trellises are what leverage your garden. I mean, like right where this sweet potato is, in this mound here, there'd be another plant of some sort if you didn't have it. Maybe another basil or whatever, a pepper plant or something. But look. So you really take advantage of the space, you know. Same thing over here with the bitter melon. In this area here, another tomato plant maybe. I don't know. Not with the okra behind it. I'm not sure what I put here. But look at the space. And what do you get? All these leaves are edible. They can be frozen, put in salads, soups, stir-fried, whatever. Same with the sweet potato over there. So trellises off your garden. And this is about maybe 110 square feet right here in this area here. And you just leverage on it. You just get so much more production, and you just like, you don't feel like the garden's all that small. I mean, look at it. It's just, it's all I can handle, believe me. With the no-till setup, with the mulch on top for moisture control. I mean, you can just need to put your foot up in there to work on something. You don't get dirt all over everything. You pick your Swiss chard. There's not dirt all over it. So I mean, you could practically come out here in your slippers if the grass was dry.